Hey, today I am unboxing some goodies. Thanks for sticking with me for the ride. This is fun podcastery stuff going on this channel. I usually talk about how to build profitable communities online, and I talk a lot to podcasters, so today I'm really excited to show off my brand new treat from Electro Voice. This is the Electro Voice RE20 broadcasting microphone. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up right now. Right away when you open the box, this is how it looks. It looks like it comes in a pretty hard case here on the outside, and it's got some other stuff in here. So this is the mic. Loving this case. It's like a very sturdy kind of packaging it comes in. And they've included a packing checklist for me, which is very helpful. Okay, so this comes with the adapter, which is this little thing right here. So this came in my package today. The carrying case, the mic, foam inserts are in here. And then the mic is in here, there's a clamp in here, and the warranty card. And they've also given me some features here as well, so I'll go over those as I'm opening up this beautiful mic. So this is a favorite mic for broadcasters, and they're trying to get into the podcasting space. So they sent me this mic to review, so I will be sharing my thoughts on it later, but look how gorgeous this packaging is. I am impressed with the mic, and I like the size of it. Okay, I'll stop being crude. I won't do that a lot. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull this out. So this mic is ideal for podcasters. Like I said, it's got this condenser on it, and it's got a built-in pop filter. So I shouldn't need an additional pop filter. Now it feels quite heavy, the weight is nice, and as you're recording, you're actually speaking into this top part here. So that's very helpful. And yeah, it looks like that's, this is it, and then it's got the adapter here. Now they also sent me the shock mount, so this does need a special shock mount with it. So if you're purchasing this online, make sure it comes with the shock mount. I'll link to an Amazon version below that has that with it. The other thing to keep in mind for my newbie podcasters out there is this is not a USB connection, so I will be opening up a preamplifier. You'll need audio interface basically to connect the microphone to your computer if that's how you're recording. So this right here is the shock mount. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And it's got foam on the inside, and then there's the shock mount there. Okay, so in here, this is the shock mount, and this is how it will look once it's all set up.